Alright guys, let's take a quick look at the accuracy of my AGT Uragan factory tune. This is with pellets and slug. This question comes up a lot about what air gun, what barrel combination can shoot pellets and slug with one tune. You guys tend to overlook the best air guns out there just for this. Here is one such gun. Okay, let's start off with the JSB Hades. Top left. $878.2. $874.3. $874.8. $873.4. $872.7. Okay, now we're going to do the Predator Polymed. $924.6. $923.8. $920. $919.2. I think that's 4. We'll go one more. $920.5. Little target left. Little target left. We're going to go with the 50.15 grain JSBs. Let's see what we got. $896.6. $897.9. $898.5. $899.5. Last one. $898.7. And here we go. JSB knockouts. 50 grain. There we go. 867.2. $868.9. $868.7. These are all light hold. $867.4. Alright guys, not only does it shoot well with the slugs that you just saw, but it also shoots great with NSA, Vortex, and the FX hybrids. This gun is awesomely accurate with anything you put in it. And also the Tony FL line of slugs. You might have to do a little tuning, but it doesn't require much. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Coming up on the next video,